To make the chunky salsa, we firstly take 4 tomatoes, half and quarter, before removing the seeds, then chopping into small bite-sized chunks. Taking 1 red onion and halving, see the card above to see what I used for the other half of an onion. We firstly make horizontal cuts into the onion, followed by slices downwards across the width of the onion, before cutting downwards across the length to form small chunks, which we then add to the tomatoes, which are in a container to the side. We then take 3 cloves of garlic, which we finely slice before cutting into smaller chunks, and a generous handful of coriander, which we are going to roughly chop, and then add that into the same mixture with everything else. Finally, we add the juice of 1 whole lime, a pinch of salt for seasoning, and a dash of white wine vinegar. We can then use a pestle to roughly bring the ingredients together. We're not going to do this quite heavy-handed because we don't want it like a pasty mix. We want something that's nice, fresh and chunky. This can then be placed in the refrigerator and left to rest to develop flavour for 2 hours, or if you have enough time, 12 hours. Thank you very much for watching. If on Facebook, please feel free to comment, share, save or follow the page. Remember, my videos do appear first on YouTube, so make sure to head on over there and subscribe. If you are on YouTube, please leave a comment, hit the subscribe button, grab a friend, get them to subscribe, and make sure you click the notification button to see more weekly videos. Stay healthy and see you next episode.